guys, David with TruDreams Fitness, and I've got a review for you guys today. And this is the WOLFpak 45L backpack. They do make meal packs. This is the backpack for going to the gym, whatever. And I've actually had this for several weeks. I purchased this with my own money, and I just want to give you an honest review. When I was out looking for a backpack for the gym, all the WOLFpak videos I found were, I would say, horrible, because they didn't really show what went in the bag. So I want to show you guys, I've got a lot of junk I take on a daily basis, plus show you what could still fit into the bag if you were going to take it for a 1 or 2 or 3 day little weekend trip or whatever. So it's super cool. I mean, I actually really like this bag. I went from a duffel bag that just was a catch-all to this, so now I can actually organize my stuff a little bit better, kind of accessorize it, so to speak, to what I want. So as you see here, just starting off with the front, it's got all these little, rings you can hang all kinds of junk on. I don't really hang a bunch of stuff on there, at least not yet, but you could. It has all these Velcro strips. None of these I got from WOLFpak, but you can get all this stuff, pretty much any place, Etsy, whatever. But of course I got my badge here, TruDreams Fitness, no excuses. Well, effort is a choice, and of course, layers for all you NF guys. Love it. So there's that little personalization going on right there. But man, the zippers, the material is just top notch. They all have these little strings with these little handle things to make it super easy. They don't catch, they're real smooth. So it's a good looking bag. Like I say, lots of pockets and lots of buckles. Again, there's nothing in it at the moment. So, and I'm gonna show you guys as I put lots of stuff in, how it will fill up this bag and what it looks like. But just to show off the front, like I said, we got all these cool sit down in size. You have one here and one here. And of course you got some on the other side. Oh, you see that right there. You can pull this thing in and trim it, tighten the thing up a little bit so it's not using any more space than it has to actually use. So we have that to compress it. We also have straps on the very top, same thing, that you can pull these tight to where your backpack straps are. And of course on the bottom, same, compress it as much as you can to get it as small as you can, depending on where you're trying to place your bag. And then let's go back on the top of the bag. You have this nicely heavy duty stitched handle, which I really like. And then you got, of course, a couple rings here, one there to hang more stuff. You do have, and I did leave one patch, there's probably another patch I left on, from WOLFpak, which is right here. So again, all these you can take off. You can put on your own custom patches, like I did on the front, which is super cool. And then let's say on the back, on the strap, same place. This is also a WOLFpak one. I haven't taken it off yet and replaced it with something else. So right now, just pocket for, water bottles, shaker bottles, and I'll show you in a minute. I'll put 2 different size shaker bottles in just so you can see a normal size shaker bottle will actually fit in these things. Really nice. And actually more of these little, I'm not even sure what the name of these things are, little rings, carabiner straps maybe, something like that. I actually had this bag for a few days before I even realized that there's another pocket back here that I guess you could put a laptop, or probably maybe more of like an iPad or a tablet or something like that. So it's a little Velcro strap right there. And it's got a nice, you probably can't see that, probably dark, but it's a nice padded pocket in there to put whatever you want. I'm guessing a tablet or something like that, which is be nice and secure, because this is really padded here, which would be on your back, plus that, so that'll give it some protection. So that's kind of a nice place to put things. And what else we got? And then of course we can't forget, if you're a serious backpacker, hiking, whatever, and you want to make sure your backpack is totally secure. It does have rings here, has your chest straps here, has your straps here at the bottom, and I'll show you. Good, fits really good here. So here's your chest one. Most of your backpacks have your chest straps, but this one's really cool because it also has this bottom strap down here. Keeps your backpack from wobbling or rocking on you. Keeps it more secure, so now it's nice and tight. You can see that or not. So, super comfortable bag. I mean, I could definitely tell if you're got this thing packed with a bunch of stuff, you're hiking up the hills or whatever, having this one and this one, I'm sure will probably make a huge difference from your, hitting the lower into your back. rocking, swaying, moving, you know, rubbing, all that good stuff. So that sure is nice. I would probably hardly ever use this strap right here just because I got to go to the gyms. So probably won't need that. So I've got a lot of stuff out here, and believe it or not, all this, mostly, except clothes, because I change my clothes every day, does fit in the backpack. And one of the things I found when I was doing reviews on this thing was no one really showed what could fit in the backpack, real world stuff. And I just want to put it in there and show you guys what it kind of looks like. So let's start with the front section. This is how I organized all my stuff. So before I put anything in, let me see all of this in here. But it's a big old pocket. It's got little pockets all in there to put, you know, all kinds of stuff. Bigger pocket right there. There's plenty of space to put more stuff, you know, shampoos and other things in there. That's usually what I store in that section of the bag, but it's all organized. It's all stuff for showering or freshening up or whatever it is right after the gym, and boom, it's nice and clean, nice and organized. You can get to it. You don't, when you open the front up, let me close this real fast. When you unzip it and zip it back up and all that thing, it doesn't fall out. It's all right there. So this top section, you know, you can obviously put anywhere. It's not the easy, you know, I usually take off my watch because I'm putting on wristbands, put it in there. You know, I've got maybe some chapstick. It does come with a couple extra of these little straps, which is kind of neat for your zipper. So I just keep them there so I don't lose them. I have an extra pair of headphones, little earbuds, put them in there. So that's my easy to reach, on the go stuff. You know, when I'm going to the gym, put all that stuff right in there and boom. And open this bad boy up, and look at there. Look how much space is in there. I mean, that's a big old pocket. And again, it's got some interior pockets right there. So you got a big pocket and two little knit areas. So what I do, put away, organize, and all that good stuff. So when you open it up, it lays completely flat. This is what's super cool. This is what gives you more of a luggage kind of feel. It's got a nice deep pocket right here. Then you got a couple, you know, mesh areas right here. Then the one at the top is another mesh area that you could, it's got a zipper to put certain things in there. So super cool to be able to, so, you know, you're at the shower area or gym area, whatever, and you just want to get to your clothes. It makes it nice and easy just to open up the whole backpack, get to your stuff, and then it's not just falling out. It's easy to get to and whatnot. So I'll have a pair of shoes. So I'm gonna show you two different shoes because, you know, I know some of you are gonna go, oh, those are some small shoes. These are just regular tennis shoes. I wear the big shoes, you know, some Air Force Ones or some mid tops or whatever. Well, those fit in there. I'll show you that as well. So here's a pair of just regular shoes. We're gonna do one change of clothes. So we're just going to the gym and then we're changing clothes. Here's a nice big pair of jeans, just so you know, the full pair of jeans there. Boom. We got a pair of socks. Gotta have fresh underwear. Boom, boom. Or you can put the underwear over here if you want. Keep it away from your clothes. That's usually what I do. So you got underwear, socks, shoes, pair of pants, and then we'll go with a nice big t-shirt. And there's a whole change of clothes right there. That's not too bad. That's an easy, you know, pair of clothes or set of clothes to change into, shower, all that stuff for the gym right there. Now, let's go one step further. Let's open it up. Look at that. So let's say let's change shoes, and we're going with the big daddies. We're going for the big mids right here. So you can stand up like that, but actually they fit better laying down like this. Boom. Still same set, different shoes. Close it up. Again, that's a nice change of clothes one day going to the gym. One more, let's see what else we can stack in there and be able to close it up easy. Because this may be a weekend trip. I don't know if I would do a weekend trip in this, but let's go with a different pair of shoes. So we have, start over here. We have a pair of pants. We're gonna go with another pair of pants. This is a thinner pair, but it's another pair of pants. So we got 2 pairs of pants. Boom. Don't judge me on my folding skills. And then we have t-shirt. So 2 pairs of pants, 1 t-shirt. Let's do another full t-shirt, just so you know it's a full t-shirt. And of course, it's a TruDreams fitness shirt, right? So another t-shirt right there. All right, and of course we have 1 sock, 1 underwear. We need another sock, another underwear, because it's a full 2 days worth. We'll stack it right there. Put it in the sock because we're, look at that. Same, almost took the same amount of space. Look at that. And again, this what these straps are for. If you're trying to condense space, you can pull these things in like that, tighten it down, you know, compress it even more. Because look, it's still lots of room to expand. Super cool. So let's put some more clothes in there one more time. Let's see what else we can get in there. Just, again, this is mostly used just for going to the gym for 1 day, but you never know. You may have to carry, well, how about a pair of shorts? Got 1 more pair of socks, 1 more underwear, because you gotta make sure you have plenty of underwear. And then how about another shirt? This is a tank top. Boom. Look at that. This fits right inside there, no problem. It's a lot of stuff. I mean, really. This is not luggage. It could be luggage, I guess. Bam. Man, I tell you what, that's a lot of stuff in 1 bag. Would you put that much in there normally? Probably not. But will it fit? You just saw. So, don't forget, we got water bottles. Now we have just your basic average shaker bottle. A lot of people are familiar with the Helomix shaker bottle, just so you can kind of have something for reference. So just to show you guys, boom, fits in there, no problem. This one on this side. Again, you want these to fit in where they're nice and snug and it's holding good, so that way they're not falling out. So no problem at all holding these bad boys in. They're nice and snug, they're not falling out. So there you have it. I'm telling you, this thing holds way more than I thought when I first got it. Again, I usually use it for a 1 day worth of clothes to change into and all my gear, but the thing I love the most, it's so organized. The zippers are super nice. The quality of material is super nice, and it's very versatile. So hope you guys liked the video. I enjoyed the bag so far. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the section down below. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Love hearing the comments from everybody. So until next time, we'll see you on the next one.